Hello guys, welcome to StemTech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to make money from DataKasa platform. So guys, do you know you can actually make some money on DataKasa platform? All we know is DataKasa is a platform that you can use it to buy data and enjoy your internet services. But do you actually know you can make money from this platform? Then guess what? DataKasa has introduced a referral program on their platform that you can make money by referring people to buy data. Okay, so when you register an account and you become a registered user on the DataKasa platform, you can just use your referral link to register someone else. Let's say you have a loved ones, you have friends and family, then they also want to buy data. You can just give them your referral link and they will register and they will be under you. Okay, so when they buy data in the platform, then you make some 2% commission, and this is very good opportunity to make money from DataKasa. So without wasting my time, let me go to the platform and show you guys how it works and how you can even make some withdrawals, because I've made some commissions by referring people to join the platform and it's pretty good. Okay, so now let me open the app. Okay, if you don't know how to get an app, I'll leave the link in this video description for you guys to use it to download the DataKasa platform. Okay, so let me open the app. Okay, and this is the interface of the app. Okay, so welcome to DataKasa, your trusted hub for fast and affordable internet data prices. Okay, so now let me log into my account since I have an account with DataKasa. So I'll just click on this login button, then I'll click on sign in. Okay, so currently you can see this is my balance. I've been buying data from this platform. They are very good. I can even show you my order history and you can see I've been buying a lot of data. Okay, yes, so now let me show you guys how you can make money from this platform using their referral commission. Okay, so you can just check here and you will see I have made some 68 cedis 0.85 pesos. Okay, so 68 cedis 0.85 pesos. How did I made this money? Okay, so I made this money through the referral program I'm talking about. Okay, so now let's click on this referral section. So now this is the referral program they have implemented in their system. Okay, so you can earn up to 2% on every referral purchases. Okay, so let's say you use your referral link. This is my referral link. I've copied my referral link. So when you copied your referral link and you give it to your friends and family to register an account and buy data from this platform, you will earn 2% on every data they buy. Okay, so currently you can see I have 67 referrals. I have referred a lot of people, my friends and families, loved ones and everyone, to buy data from this platform, because this platform has the cheap and affordable internet data in Ghana here. So I have referred 67 people to join the platform, and out of that I have made 118 Ghana cedis. Okay, so I've withdrawn 50 cedis, which I can show you my withdrawal over here. So let me show you my withdrawal history. You can see withdrawal history. I withdrew 20 cedis and 30 cedis. So in all I've withdrawn 50 cedis. Okay, so now let me show you guys how this works. So as I said, you just need to copy your referral link, then you send it to your loved ones for them to register an account to join the platform, and as they buy data using their account, you make 2% commission. Okay, so you can check your referral history over here, and you can see I've made 118 Ghana cedis, and these are my referrals. Okay, you can see the profit I made. This person called Jordan Morgan, okay, purchased 2 gig at 11 cedis and I made 23 pesos. So same applies to this person. Okay, so this person purchased 1 gig and I made 12 pesos. Okay, so any amount of data they purchase, I made some commission. Okay, and you can see all these commissions have accumulated to 118 Ghana cedis. So this is easy way to make money by just referring people to buy data and just made some commission. Okay, so let me show you guys how to make some withdrawal. Okay, so since you guys want to know the ins and outs, let me show you guys how to make a withdrawal. Okay, so to make a withdrawal, I just need to click on this withdraw button over here. Okay, so minimum withdrawal is 20 cedis, and if you hit the 20 cedis, this withdrawal feature will appear. Okay, but if you haven't hit the 20 cedis, you won't see this ready to withdraw button over here. Okay, but you can see I have 68 Ghana cedis currently, so let me click on withdraw now. So when you get to this place, it's very easy to make a withdrawal. Okay, you can see my available balance is 68 Ghana cedis, and I've already made some 118. Okay, so request withdrawal. You can withdraw to your Momo straightforward, and minimum you can withdraw is 20 cedis, no withdrawal fee, payments processed on weekends, one pending request at a time. Okay, so as I said, it's very simple to withdraw your money, and it's very easy too. So minimum amount you can withdraw is 20 cedis. Since I have 68 cedis, let me withdraw the 60 and leave the 8 cedis to also accumulate. So I'll just enter 60 cedis over here, then I'll select the network. Okay, so if you want to withdraw to your MTN or your Telecel or Airtel to go, you can just choose the network. Then you enter your Momo number. Okay, so since I'm choosing MTN, I will enter my MTN number over here. And after that, I'll click request withdrawal. Okay, so you can see withdrawal request has been submitted and the payments are processed on weekends. So currently we are on a weekend. Today is Sunday and it's a weekend day. So let's wait for my money to reflect in my account. You can see currently it's pending. Okay, I just made this 60 cedis withdrawal at 1:47 p.m. Sunday. You can check the time over here, and it's pending currently. So let's wait for the platform to send us our money. Okay, so currently it's still pending. Let me go back and come to the platform later to check if it has been processed and I have received my money. So currently the withdrawal has been approved, and you can see I have received my 60 cedis and it's very successful. Okay, so if this video helped you to make some money by just referring people to join this platform, and when they buy data you earn some commission, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.